So hello everyone, today I am Deep from second year AIML and I will be solving an interesting example on the topic division method of Cayley-Hamilton. So let's get started. So here is an equation, we have to find a solution of this equation and we have given a matrix of order 2 by 2 which is this. So first, as we know that the characteristic equation So this is the characteristic equation for the matrix order 2 of order 2 by 2. So here the matrix A this is the given matrix. For this S1 will be the sum of diagonal elements which is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and the determinant will be 1 to 2 2 minus 2 to the 4 is equal to minus 2. So now we will put this value in our characteristic equation. So this becomes the characteristic equation for the question. Now we will apply Cayley-Hamilton to this. So this becomes so now we'll put the values of A matrix which is so by using calculator we will solve the square of this matrix and which is equal to and also this becomes 3 1 3 6 6. Now if you solve this using calculator you will get, as you can see, 3 minus 2 0, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0 and so on. So this becomes so we can say that so the Cayley-Hamilton theorem is proved for now. So to find this matrix, to find this equation, now we will use the division method. For this, this first rectangle equation, we will use the characteristic equation, which is nothing but a square minus 3a minus 2i equals to 0. So now by using division method, we will revise this equation to this. So to find this matrix by using we will use a characteristic equation. So in division method, we will divide the equation we have to find with the characteristic. So as you can see, here the highest factor is a raised to 4 and here is a raised to a square. So we will multiply 2 raised to a square by this whole multiple. You will get so this will get cancelled. We get a2. This remains as it is, that as there is no a square. So now there is a term of a cube. So we will multiply a with the whole equation. This a. We will get a cube minus 3a squared minus 2a. This will get cancelled again, and this becomes my e. Also, this will become minus 5e, and this 6 is minus 9. Okay, so now there is 7e square, and there is e square here, so we will plus 7. This becomes 7e squared minus 20e minus, again this gets cancelled, this becomes 16a and this becomes 20. So this is the final equation. So we can write this equation in the form of this other three equation, like 2a raised to 4 minus 5a cubed minus 7e plus 6i is equal to a square minus 3a minus 2i multiplied by 2a square plus a plus 7 and plus 16a plus again the value of this is equal to 0, so this becomes 0, and so the value of this becomes equal to 60a plus 20i. So now we'll put the values. As we know, the matrix A was 1, 2, 2 plus 20. So after the solving, we get 2a4 minus 5a cubed minus 7a plus 6i is equal to